The question that we got at is uLaw has this new icon here called the uLaw answer spot, and we're wondering what it is. The answer is pretty simple. Just click on it and you will see that it will log you on to a bot where you can actually ask it questions. Like, for example, I'm going to ask this question that one of our support got today, which is like, hey, how do I create compliant legal aid statement using your software with start and end time in the document? And when you basically press this, what it'll do is it'll go through all the uLaw answers help that we have, and it'll tell you how you can actually do that. So in this case, it's saying like to create that, you have to go into the settings matter, and there is this start and end times in report that you need to mark it yes. So let's go back and check under settings, under matter, show start and end time in reports. Mark that as yes. Once you do that, if you go back into the matter and if you actually do what it asks you to do, you will actually see do well. Now, the interesting part here is it also gives you a few videos, like so you could actually click here, that will take you into the YouTube video that you can actually listen, which talks about the same thing, like, hey, how do I use legal aid and do these things, right? Like, so the amazing thing about this software is like this bot, as soon as you launch it, will have a chat channel and you can actually converse with it. And now we also have an audio, like it'll play back what you are so that we can listen to it. And if you're still stuck, you can always book a call or send us an email, but do use this bot. It's right inside the uLaw answers channel. Just use it and it will answer most of the questions. Very extremely conversational and should be helpful.